This is what we're looking at. It's the pitch motor. Cause erratic, mostly autopilot disconnects during an immediate descent, start from on approach, or during an actual disconnect, pitch up, extreme pitch up constantly. That's what we're troubleshooting. Solenoid engage is fine, motor engage is fine, runs down fine, runs up fine. We check the voltage on it for startup voltage, and it's right about 3.5 volts for one direction, and the other direction would be erratic, up to 5, 10, 17 volts, and then nothing, no movement at all, and then all of a sudden there'd be movement. And they would run back down to about 3 volts, and then build or stop. That's what we're troubleshooting. We've disassembled the unit, removed the motor from the bracket. It's an electromagnetic clutch here that engages the whole system on the gear train to the capstan head. So that just free spins. Bob's removed the motor, made by Globe, because this is where the problem was. It wasn't in the gear train of the actual capstan and head gearing system. This is what we found.
Now note, this whole assembly is going back to Genesis for repair and overhaul, which was done by them a year ago. We are not returning this to Cirrus. We're just doing an autopsy.
What we have here is the planetary gear system for the motor. There's 3. One of those has 20 teeth. 2 of the other ones have 22 teeth. What happens is the 20-tooth unit gets jammed up on the outside ring. And what that does is causes massive stickage, or a locking device, if you will, in the motor assembly. And it's not till the teeth skip or the pressure is released by going backwards will the motor actually run again. So when it was assembled previously, the shop put the wrong gear in there on one of the locations. That's why we're having problems with this motor, right from the OEM. I bet you can tell which one's got 22 teeth and which one's got 20 teeth. The inner shaft diameter is the same on either one of them.